A large language model is a type of artificial intelligence designed to understand and generate human text. You can think of it as a very advanced version of the autocomplete feature on your phone. While your phone might guess the next word in a text message, a large language model can predict entire sentences and paragraphs. It does this by looking at patterns in a massive amount of information. To build one of these models, researchers show it billions of pages of text from books and websites. The model reads through all this data to learn how words usually fit together. It does not actually understand the world like a human does. Instead, it learns the probability of what comes next. For example, if you type the words, "the sky is," the model knows that the word "blue" is very likely to follow, based on everything it has read before. The word "large" in the name refers to two different things. First, it means the model was trained on a huge amount of data. It has seen more writing than any person could read in 1,000 lifetimes. Second, it refers to the size of the computer program itself. These models have billions of tiny internal connections that help them make decisions. The more connections a model has, the better it becomes at handling complex instructions and creative tasks. These models are very helpful because they can perform many different jobs. You can ask one to summarize a long article or write a friendly email to a coworker. They can translate languages and help people write computer code. Because they have seen so much diverse information, they can mimic many different styles of writing. You can ask one to explain a scientific concept like it is talking to a 5-year-old, and it will adjust its tone accordingly. One important thing to remember is that a large language model does not have feelings or beliefs. It is a powerful piece of software that calculates the most likely response to your prompt. Sometimes it can make mistakes because it is just predicting patterns. If it has not seen a specific fact before, it might confidently guess something that is incorrect. This is why it is always a good idea to double-check the information it provides. This technology is changing the way we interact with computers. In the past, you had to learn specific commands to get a computer to do something. Now you can just talk to it in plain English. This makes technology much more accessible to everyone. As these models continue to improve, they will likely become even better at helping us solve problems and express our ideas. Thank you for being here, and we will see you in the next video.